What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And as you see, I got a little box in my hand, and if you can see it, I don't know if you guys can see it, but today I'll be showing you how to install LED lights inside your car. So guys, I wasn't gonna make a video on this one, but I had these LED lights on my G35, and a lot of people were asking me how to install them and how to do them and if I can do them, and I just feel like this video will help you guys install these lights. So we got the Govee, I guess they're called Govee, G-O-V-E-E, Govee, I guess, RGB car LED light strips. So these guys are actually a really good brand. You can buy this on Amazon for like 25 bucks, I think. I'll put the link in the description. And they're actually really sick. They connect to your phone. There's an app, and they go to music, and they go to your beat of the music. It is pretty dope. You can set like multiple colors, your own themes. Like, it's pretty dope. So I'll be showing you guys how to install these on the car. So let's get to it. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I got the lights right here. Obviously they're not new. When you get them out the box, they're new and they're good and everything like that. These are still good. I've been using them for about a year and a half maybe, like I had them, and they're pretty sick. They're pretty dope. Obviously you can see they hook up into your cigarette lighter, and then you just click that button right there to turn them on, or you can just click it off to turn it off, or you can use it on your phone, and that's how you turn it off. And there is also another thing right here, another controller, I guess you could say, where it has the on and off switch. You got the brightness level down here and your color options right here. Obviously you can control it with your phone too, so this is just more practical. Controller and the LED strips do come with 3M tape on them. You literally just peel it off and you stick it on. Same with the controller over here, you just peel it off and stick it on. As you guys can see, I have a Velcro attachment on the strip because my seats are cloth. So the fronts are just a 3M tape. You literally just stick it on, and then the back has Velcro straps on it. Just stick them on the cloth. We'll be now showing you how to install them into your car. You literally just plug this into the cigarette lighter over here. Obviously I only have one in this car. You guys might have multiple ones, so that'll be good. But I also got this adapter right here that has two cigarette out ports, I guess you could say, and one's for my aux obviously, and then this one will literally just stick in there. So guys, I am going to try to do this before it gets really dark out so you guys can see, but when it gets dark I will show you what the lights look like after I'm done installing them. It is very simple to install, you guys. You guys can do this at yourself at home instead of paying someone to install them for you or getting like a friend or family member to install them for you. It is very simple. You can do it yourself, and it actually can teach you some more stuff about your car, taking cars apart on a beginner level and stuff like that. It does help you out in the long run. So it's a nice little thing, nice little add to your car to make it more. Obviously new cars these days like BMWs have like actual interior lights built into the car, like around the area, but these are sick. They go at your feet, and you can put both here, like one here and one here, same on the other side, and then have double lights up there. Or if you guys have back passengers that's in the back seat and you want to have them have lights too, that's what I usually do. I put one here, one on the other side, and two on the seats. So guys, now that I have it untangled, I will literally just be putting this right in here. Hopefully it fits. Just like that, right in there. You can see if they turn on. If I can find my keys. Yeah guys, so I basically just stuck it into the port right here. Right now it's not all in its area, but it's hooked up, and I want to show you guys how it looks. So you basically just stick it in and put your key on, and obviously the button right here, you just click, lights up, and then that's how you know it's on. It's on green right now, and if you literally just take the controller, You got options to turn it off from here. This is like the major shut-off switch, but you got options to turn it off right here. And you got your color options right here. As you guys can see, hopefully you guys can see, you got red, green, a darker green, a darker green. Don't know why there were so many greens right there, but you got blue, a light blue, a purple, even lighter blue, a yellow, and a red. Obviously there's more colors, but this is just a generic color on the controller. There's more colors on your phone if you have the app. And this is your brightness level. Oh wait, maybe it's not. Sometimes it is brightness, but this is, I'm pretty sure it's to the music. So if I go quiet, boom, boom, boom. Yeah guys, but if you have it on the thing, you just hold it down and you can see it brightens up or it dims it, whichever one you want. And then if you click it, it goes to the music. Guys, I'll just play a little song right here real quick. So guys, hopefully you guys can see, I'm just gonna play a little song right here. And click this button to click the beat. Change the color to blue.
It looks like you lost another one.
So that's pretty cool. It goes to the beat of the music and everything like that. It is pretty sick. I don't really use that, just like one solid color, but it does go to the beat. But sometimes it gives me like a goddamn freaking seizure when I'm driving, so you know, you choose you. Yeah guys, so you can put your controller wherever you want. You can put it here, like on the side somewhere, wherever the hell you want it, to be honest. You can even put it up here and click up there. Just to hide the wire more. Actually, this car is a little different than my G, so I could literally just put it up here or somewhere like here. Yeah guys, so you basically just want to pick a flat surface to put this on. I'm probably going to put mine right here on the side just to hide a little bit more wire. So guys, since I already used these lights before, I have 3M tape in my car. So I am literally just going to take the 3M tape and literally just stick it on to the tape that was originally have. You guys can screw this on, and I'm pretty sure it does come with zip ties if you want to. I would choose 3M tapes because you don't really want to drill anything in your car. Just take your knife here. You might want to do this on a flat surface. I don't really have a flat surface. Hopefully it will cut through, not give me trouble. There you guys go. Cut right through. So guys, you basically just take this, make sure it's stuck on there well. Alright, I'm gonna leave that there for now. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to do this where you can see. I'm literally just gonna take this, literally hide the wire right back there. Actually, that's actually a good spot. I didn't even know where I was gonna hide this before. And so guys, my car is missing a little panels behind here, so it's not a flat surface to put it on. I'm literally just gonna go stick it onto something back there. You can put it right here, but it does show. I don't want it to show, I want it to be hidden. So I'm gonna take this 3M tape, rip off the other side, rip off this other side, and literally just go down here and stick it on. So literally just go, hide these wires in here. We're just gonna stick it right in there. Hopefully you guys can see. I know it's dark. I'm just gonna stick it right here. Now I have this extra wire right here. I'm literally taking it, this wire right here, and sticking it under the mat. So on some of your cars, you guys don't have a full thing. Like I have a full thing going on right here, but some of you guys have like this little piece right here that you can unclip and put it under, which is, this is low-key easier in my opinion. but on my G it was still pretty easy doing it on other cars. Don't worry guys. Actually, now that I'm saying that, there is a little piece here stopping me from going underneath. But just to get the video done guys and to show you what it looks like afterwards, I'm literally just going to leave this wire right here but push it behind the seat. Literally we just take this seat, push it up and put this back here like that. Hopefully you guys can see now that I have the wire back here. I am going to fix it up later, but I got this Velcro right here, and as you can feel, and I don't know if you can hear, it's cloth or like whatever kind of fabric you want to call it, I don't really care. I literally just take it and I go under the seat and stick it on right there, and later on I will figure out how to hide these wires more. I'm probably actually going to tuck it right down here if I can. Actually guys, I'm actually going to take this off and go underneath the rail. Obviously guys, you guys also don't want to put your wire on the rail here because it will cut it when the seat is going back. So just take it and stick it under the seat, stick this wire down there, and then when the seat goes back you can't even see it. So guys, as you can see, it is shining like that. I think it's on beat right now, but if I put it to green you can see it like that. Yeah guys, so as you can see, the light's right there and it's also right there in the back. So if you look from the back, you can't see the bar but you can see the light, which is what I wanted. There is a wire sticking out right here. I am going to fix that in a bit. So guys, as you guys can see, there are no wires that are visible except for these ones right here. I will try to clean that up later, but as you can see, there's no wires over here because we rerouted them in between the seats over here. Same with on the other side, and as you can see, there are lights in the back which look dope, because if you're looking from back here you can see them all literally right here. Right here guys, you can literally see all the lights, and it is pretty dope. Alright guys, as you can see, it is way brighter right now because I just forgot I turned on the brightness when I was showing you guys. But as it is way brighter. If you look from up here, you can see right down, and it is pretty sick. Guys, these are one of my favorite things to have in the car. It just gives the car a more character to it.
On the track.
Anyways guys, I don't know if you guys can see me right now, but it is getting pretty dark and kind of sketchy out here, so I am gonna head home and I will show you guys when I get home. What is up guys? It has been a while since I filmed that video and I'm just catching up now because I never finished that video. So this clip is basically just going to be the end of the video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I obviously can't show you the car anymore because there's been bare upgrades and it's changed dramatically since that video, since it's been so long ago. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it showed you how to do it. I know it wasn't that, like, I didn't go that into detail with stuff, but I just wanted to make it short and simple. Hopefully it's not too long. Thank you guys for watching if you stuck to the end, and thank you for all the support, and we'll catch you in the next video. Easy. Shit. There's a goddamn possum, bro. Dude, that scared the fuck out of me, bro.